Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to put together this Hoover Pro Clean Pet Carpet Cleaner. Here's everything that comes in the box. It was kind of heavy getting it out of the box, so be careful. Now the first thing there is, we got to take some tape. Take some tape off of this. We're going to attach this handle. There's no tools required, but around back, you're simply going to snap this onto place, like hold it down, and then there's this lock button. You're going to turn this to the lock position. Now it's locked. Now I can take this fresh water tank off. This is what you're going to put the fresh water tank in. Press that button right here. We can take this over to the sink. You are allowed to put hot water from the sink into here. And then the solution that it comes with is this Deep Clean and Neutralize. This is a concentrated solution for a floor carpet cleaner. You're going to fill this up 3 times. This cap is like a cup. So you're going to put 3 ounces in, or fill it up to 3 times, pour it in here, put the water in, and then this is ready to go. Rotate it in until it clicks into place. Make sure it clicks into place. There, now it's set. It does come with this hose, so we can attach this hose to it, and it's going to attach right here. There's a little door that pops down. It's going to have solution and suction, so let's just press it in. There. Now I've got this hose. I still have to turn the machine on, leave it in the upright position. And here's the little nozzle that comes with it. When I spray this, I'll have solution under pressure, and then I'll have suction. Now, one of the things I like is it comes with this bag. We're going to put the hose and this in the bag. The bag has holes in it, so it'll dry, and then you can just hang this so you've always got the hose wherever you're keeping the carpet cleaner at. I really do like these Hoover bags. That's a really nice design. So to take it out, there is a little release button on the side you got to press. Now, down here is the dirty water tank. Let's get this out of the way. All right, so the dirty water tank there's this green button right here. Press it, and it's going to rotate out. Take it over the sink. This is where all the dirty water is going to go. Lift this up. Now, there is a seal on here. Be careful that it doesn't come off. Empty out all the dirty water. Once in a while, there is a screen right here. Once in a while, you have to get some of the debris off the screen. There's a float in here, so when it fills up, it's going to cause the machine to sound different, so it doesn't have suction anymore. Put it back on. Latch. Now, putting this on can be a little tricky. You want to kind of put it in. You don't want to go in straight like this. You want to go in at a pretty good angle. Then rotate it till it clicks into place. Round back, we have a cord storage. We're going to wrap the cord around. When we want to take the cord off, we just rotate that, then rotate it back. It has on, off. I love foot pedals, and it has handle release. We're going to press that, and that releases the handle. We have a trigger up here. Anytime we press this trigger, it's going to release solution. Down here, we can take it a little bit apart. We can't take it a whole bunch apart. Lift this up. This is the suction tube. So we could take this over to the sink, get this all nice and clean. Underneath here, now that's about as far as we can take it apart without tools. These brush rollers right here, you can take this off and take the brush rollers out, but it does require a tool. You got to take 3 screws out with an arrow. So that's as far as it comes for cleaning. To put this back on, let's just rotate it. Put the 3 big ears in and rotate it till that clicks into place. It's got 2 wheels that it glides pretty easy, so we're pretty excited about it. Again, here's the handle. Now the handle's got 2 buttons. They do the same thing. This releases solution, and so does this one. When you press it that way, that releases solution. Okay, so it looks like it has a 10 amp motor. Front to back is about 16 inches. Now left to right is about 13 inches. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.